Okay, as you can see, we've started the installation. I've got the center stack all taken out. I have the harness put together here. The instructions are pretty good. This is a pumpkin Android unit. I'll put a link in the description of the actual stereo I bought. I think it's on like autopumpkin.com, whatever. This is, of course, the PAC C2R CHY4. And we've got the steering wheel control RC1, also off and pack. The stereo does work. I had it powered up. Still a lot to do when it comes to running the camera, the Wi-Fi, and the GPS antenna. The Wi-Fi and GPS are pretty straightforward, but the camera gotta run through the back of the car, run through the pillars and stuff like that. So there's a bit of work here to do. So we'll take a look at the harness. It's taped together. I may do some soldering afterwards once I make sure everything's good. This brown wire I didn't need, so I just taped them over. The steering wheel controls are not working, so I did reach out to PAC this morning and Pumpkin to see why. I'm thinking it may be something different with this, with these switches. This is what's on the website, this way, but they may have changed, or because there's no on the site. You gotta select the bypass pack, and then you gotta select what pack you use and what car you're gonna use it on, things like that. So there's no listing for Pumpkin. There is for a Toto, but not Pumpkin. So I just used the basic Android section. There's an Android option there. So I think that may be where the problem is, because I do power on, the red light flashes, but of course there's nothing from the actual steering wheel controls. As you can see here, they do not work right now. This car did have an upgrade earlier on. It has the MyGig retrofit. This car is a 2006 Charger Daytona. It doesn't have the MyGig unit stock. They didn't come out to 2008, so I had to get what's called a MyGig lockpick. You see here. With this unit, I didn't need to tap into the taillights to get the camera to work. So I'm thinking that may be the same thing here now. It may work without tapping into the taillights. This is a needed option, and you get a custom harness, which makes this car compatible with the MyGig, which came out in 2008. So yeah, just a little update. On my installation going so far. So that's the best I can do until I get a response from both PAC and Pumpkin, and I will update as I go forward. Now, the instructions are straightforward for the most part. There is a little trick. This is a stereo harness. You have to hook up the speakers backwards, and what that means is your right front speakers goes into your right rear speakers, and your right left speakers goes into your right rear speakers. So your right front goes into your back front, or your right front goes into your right back, and your left front goes into your left back, which is opposite of what the instructions tell you to actually do. So your front speakers got to go into your back speakers, and solid colors stay with solid colors. So for example, let me see here. One speaker here is, the front left is white and black. So let me see if I can find that right quick. Okay, here's an example. So white and black into the green and black, and the plain white into the solid green. So solid colors stays together, and striped colors goes with striped colors. It does work. I had the radio on for a minute. I will do a video on that, powering up the radio and doing the features in probably the next video or so. Once I get some response from PAC and Pumpkin, and I get the steering controls working hopefully soon. So stay tuned for that.